If you're seeing the itched.io host error, don't worry, because in this video I'm going to show you a couple of fast fixes that can help you get back on the site. This error can happen for a few different reasons, and the good news is that in many cases it's not a serious problem on your device. Sometimes the issue is on itched.io's side, and sometimes it's just your browser cache or cookies causing the page to fail to load properly. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech fixes. Let's jump in. First, the very first thing you should check is whether itch.io is actually down for everyone. Open your browser and visit a service like Downdetector. On that site, search for itch.io and look at the report graph and recent comments. If you see a big spike in reports, that usually means the service is having a widespread outage. In that case, there is nothing wrong with your device, and the best solution is simply to wait until the servers are back online. Itch.io may be experiencing heavy traffic, maintenance, or temporary overload, and once the platform recovers, the host error should disappear on its own. If the site does not appear to be globally down, the next step is to clear your browser cache and cookies. Old or corrupted browser data can interfere with loading certain websites, especially if a page has recently changed or if a session has become damaged. To do this in most browsers, open the settings or history menu, find the option to clear browsing data and make sure cache and cookies are selected, then clear them and close the browser completely. After that, reopen your browser and try loading itch.io again. If you want a quicker test before clearing everything, try opening the itch.io link in an incognito or private window. This is useful because private mode starts with a clean session and ignores most stored cookies and cached data. If the site works in incognito but not in your normal browser window, that's a strong sign the problem is related to your browser data rather than the website itself. In that case, clearing cookies and cache usually fixes it. You can also try refreshing the page after a short wait or switching to a different browser just to confirm whether the issue is browser specific. Sometimes one browser may have a bad stored session while another loads the page normally. If the host error still appears everywhere, that again points to a server-side problem and waiting is the most likely fix. So to recap, if you get the itch.io host error, first check a tracker like Downdetector to see whether the site is down for everyone. If it is, you'll need to wait for the servers to come back. If the site seems online, clear your browser cache and cookies, or open the page in an incognito or private window to rule out local browser issues. Those two checks solve the problem for many users. If this video helped, please give it a like, subscribe for more helpful tutorials, and leave a comment if you want me to cover more website error fixes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.